So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video of Viewport part 2. So in this I will show you how you can use your pages as a tab and as a contextual sidebar. Okay, let's get started. So this is our page where I will show you. I have already opened it in the UI builder. Okay, so in the last video I show you how you can use a viewport to show your page. Okay, so for that you need to create a page collection. So there is another way as well, via the sub pages. Okay, so here we have a option to replace with the viewport. As soon you will click it, so it will create a sub page. Okay, and in the edit content you can create as many pages you want under the sub page. Okay, so this is another way. But if your use cases where you wanna utilize your pages across workspaces or pages, so in that case you should go with the page collection, because then you can access those pages across the workspace. But with this way, it is bind with the component, okay, which is viewport 2 and the parent screen is viewport 1. So then you can't access it with the other pages or workspace. Okay, now let's move to the tabs. Okay, so let's add a tab here. Okay, let's type tabs. Once it is added, so in the configuration you can see by default a tab is added. Okay, if I just save it and show you, so a tab is added here with the untitled name. See, but you have a sub page or you have a page collection which you want to show as a tabs here. So what you can do in the tab, so here is also a two-way similar way which I show you for the only for the viewport. Okay, so one is the page collection. So as soon you will click on add, so it will ask give you the 4 options you can add. Okay, so in our case it is a page collection. So as soon you will click on page collection, it will give the all the page collections which are created under the system. Okay, here is one more thing. So this is our page collection. Okay, and there are 4 page collections. Okay, but here you will see only 2 page collection which I have created. Why? Because if you see here, so these uh, page collections are part of tabs component. Okay, so that's why under tab component, when we are trying to add a page collection, it's giving us only these 2 options. Okay, for the tabs. But you have seen before for the viewport I was getting only this option. Why? Because the type of it was viewport. So whenever you create a page collection, you need to specify it from which component you are going to access it. Okay, so this is another point you have to know. Okay, so for this I'm going to select this page collection. Okay, as soon it is added, let's save it. And if I come here, I'm also not sure how many pages are created in the under that page collection. Let's see. Okay, so for that page collection there were 3 pages. Let's open it as well. I selected this one. See, there are 3 tabs, 3 pages under this page collection. So therefore we got the 3 pages. Okay, and now you don't need it, so you can delete it from here. So basically the usual way was you need to manually add the tab here, but if you have created those tab as a pages, okay, so then you can use in this way by the page collection. Okay, second way is, so here you can see, I have saved it. No, let's save it first and reload. see on second tab, tab 2. So basically in these tabs there is no content available, so that's why it's showing empty. But whenever your page will have something, so then it will be visible here. Okay, I can also show you this as well. So let's say under hello tab we will add something. Okay, let's add this rich text. Let's add it, let's save it. So it's done. If I reload it, the content will be visible under the hello tab. See, okay. And now let's move to the other way, which is viewport tab. So similar way, we have an option here, replace with the viewport tab. As soon you will click here, so a sub page is created. Similar way, which is created for the viewport. Okay, here you will do the edit content, and here you can see the sub page is created. So whenever you will add a page here, okay, let's say tab 1, tab 2 or tab 3, okay, those will be added as a tab. Okay, so now I have added this. If I go back, let's reload. See, that page is added as a tab here, which we have created under sub page. Okay, so this was also another way. Now I will show you how you can add a as a contextual sidebar. So this is also the same way which we did for the tabs. Okay, let's add it after, and just type contextual sidebar. So whenever you will add this component, it also has the same configuration, add tabs, and on the bottom you can see replace with the viewport. Similar way, if you will do the configuration here, you will see your pages as a tabs on the contextual sidebar. Okay, so this is all for this video. So now here we have a open question here. Okay, just let me show you. Let's add a tabs. Okay, and I will add my page collection here. We have added this one. Let's save it. Okay, if I come here, so right now the issue is, so you can see we have a tab 1 first, then hello, and the tab 2. So first point is how we can control the sequence. Okay, because on this page collection we have first hello, then tab 2, and then tab 1. But here you can see it is tab 1, hello, and tab 2. So sequence is first thing. So how we can control that? If we have to arrange the sequence. Second is by default. Okay, let's reload it here. So by default, any one tab will be selected. Okay, if we have to change that, how we can do that? Okay, so there are these two open questions. If anyone knows, just comment below. So that's all for this video. Thank you.